Hey guys, it's Cubeorithms and welcome to my tutorial of the Pyraminx Rubik's Cube, although it's not a cube, it's a tetrahedron. Tetrahedron or not, let's get into the tutorial. First off, you're going to need to know notation. So R is turn the right face clockwise like this. R with a little apostrophe on it, or R prime, is R counterclockwise, so turn the right face counterclockwise. And L is turn the left face clockwise, and L prime is turn it counterclockwise. And B is turn the back face clockwise, B prime is turn the back face counterclockwise. And U is turn the up face clockwise, and U prime is turn the up face counterclockwise. And if it's a lowercase letter, then you do whatever that is, but on these little tips. So like, this is an R, this is an R prime, this is an L, L prime, U, U prime, and B, wait, am I getting this right? No, B and B prime. So now let's scramble it. Okay, that seems pretty scrambled. So I like to solve the blue side first. Well, actually, before you do anything, just solve these little tips. You can also do them last, but it's easiest to do them first. So you just need just turn the little tips until they're solved. Now, I like to start with the blue side. So what you want to do is you want to find the 3 blue centers. So there's this one, and this one. Now you want to get them all on the same side. So do something like this. What am I doing? There. And now, you might think that you have this right here. So let me just turn it there. Wait a second, where's the blue center? The blue center is on here. So you might have to do some trial and error, but you should be able to figure it out. And now the next step is to solve these 3 edges. And it seems like this edge is already solved. So let's look for the blue and yellow edge. Here it is. So just bring that to the front. So you'd be able to do this, and then the edge would be in place. So what you want to do is do right here, do U, R, U prime, R prime. Now let's move then it's solved. So now let's move on to the green and blue one. And here it is. Gosh, here it is. And, oh, yep, turn it. It's the blue side facing down. Just find it and bring it there. So now remember what we have to do. Although this one is actually a mirror case, so instead of it being on this side, where you just do U prime, R prime, it is on this side. So instead you want to do the opposite. So U prime, then L prime, U, L. And then take a look. You have your first layer solved. And that's why this is called layer by layer. So now you want to solve these three edges. And I'm going to do a different case first, so I'll do a jump cut over there. So this is the first case. So what you want to do is find, so do some U moves until you find an edge in its perfect position. So look, so this green matches up, but this red doesn't. And just like this red matches up, but this yellow doesn't. Let's do another U move. There, this yellow matches up, but this red doesn't. And this red matches up, but this green doesn't. Let's do another U move. Ah, here we go. This green matches up and this yellow matches up. So here is the first case where there's this piece matches up, well, this color matches up with the center, and this one doesn't match up. So you want to do a hedge slammer, which is L, R prime, L prime, R, then do the first algorithm I taught you, the U, R, U prime, R prime, and then do a U prime. And then you've solved the cube. Here is the second case. So as you can see, we have one on the right that doesn't match up, but the one on the left does match up. So in this case, we want to do a sledgehammer, which is the opposite of what we just did. We want to do R prime, L, R, L prime. Then do the second algorithm I taught you, U prime, L prime, U, L. Do a U at the end. Then you have solved your cube. here is the third case where none of them match up. This one doesn't match up, and this one doesn't match up. So we are going to have to do a sledgehammer, R prime, L prime, R, L. Then do the U prime, L prime, U, L. And then do a U move at the end. But then take a look at this. Oh no. So now you want to do an L, U, L prime, U, L, U, L prime, U, L, U, L prime, U, L, U, L prime, U. Then you have got it solved. You have solved your cube. And when I say cube, I mean tetrahedron. I'm Cubeorithms XT, and that was my tutorial of the Pyraminx. Bye!